I am Prof.L.B.Gayakawad. We will discuss today on the lecture of spoken English. In this lecture, I will talk about the adjectives. At first, we will discuss the adjectives of qualities or the adjectives of description. These adjectives give us the qualities of nouns. Remember, all these adjectives tell us about the good and bad qualities of the nouns. They tell us about the standard and situation of the nouns also. It means that these adjectives tell us about the standards. Standards means I will tell you the good qualities. Situation means I will tell you here the good situation or the bad situation. For example, here I will tell you God is kind. How is God? The answer is kind. So kind is the adjective and it is the good quality of God. The second example is there, that is villain is not a good man. How is a villain not a good man? So not a good man is the adjective, is the quality, is the description which is not a good quality. It means it is the bad quality. In this way, the adjectives tell us about the good and bad qualities of the nouns. The adjectives of qualities are used sometimes as the nouns. Remember, these adjectives are used as the nouns sometimes while speaking and writing English, but they take the article with them at this time, means they come with the article. I will tell you here. For example, the poor, the rich. It means the poor people and the rich people. So remember, the poor is showing that the poor people and the rich is showing that the rich people. So here it is very clear that these adjectives of qualities are used as the nouns. These adjectives are plural, so the verbs are also used plural with them. For example, the poor are honest. It means the poor people are honest. So the poor is the adjective and it is used here as the plural, and that's why here the verb is are and it is in the plural sense. The rich are smart. Here the rich means the rich people are smart and the rich is the adjective, and here this adjective means this rich adjective is used here as the plural, and so we can say the rich people are smart. Thus such adjectives are used to talk about the group of people, means we can discuss, we can describe, we can give the qualities good and bad of the people, and we can discuss about all the groups of people or all the groups of the nouns, means we can discuss about the animate or inanimate nouns. The present participle, that is verb plus ing form, and the past participle, that is the third verb of the main verb, means for example I will tell you go, went and gone. This gone is here the past participle. So the past participle and the present participle. Now present participle means I will discuss go plus ing is equal to going. So this going and this gone are the two forms here. The first is means going is here the present participle and gone is here the past participles. These present participle and past participle here are used as the adjectives. So I will give you the examples. A writing boy. A writing boy means the boy who is writing here, means it is the quality of the boy. How is the boy? The boy is a writing boy. A bouncing ball. How is the ball? The ball is bouncing, means bouncing is the quality of the ball. And a talking girl. How is the girl? The girl is talking. So remember, the writing, bouncing and talking are the present participles, and these present participles are used here as the adjectives, and they are showing here about the boy, the ball and the girl. And next examples are the written answer here. How is the answer? The answer is written. The written bond. How is the bond? The bond is the written. And the failed student. How is the student? The student is failed. And the forgiven matter. How is the matter? The matter is forgiven. So here I will tell you that the written, the failed, the forgiven are the past participles, and they are used as the adjectives here, and they are giving here the uh, extra information or description or the quality of the answer, bond, student and the matter. The second type now we are going to discuss is that the adjectives of number. Remember, these are the adjectives which show always the numbers, means they show here the, I will say, the numeral information. The adjectives of number inform us about the noun with the number or figure, means remember these adjectives tell us about the numbers or about the figures, means figures means I will tell you that the 4 or 5 or 4th or 5th, like this. These adjectives show how many things or persons are there, means they tell about the numbers of the persons, means how many persons are there, how many women are there, how many dogs are there, suppose how many animate things are there, or how many inanimate things are there, means are there. They also mention the order or sequence. It means that they talk about the order. Order means I will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the order. And the second order is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, like this. So they talk about the order or sequence. They talk about how many and what number. It means that how many means they are showing the numbers, and what number means they are exactly asking the number, means what number means second number or third number or fourth number, and how many means 3, 4 or 5 or 100 or 200, like this. They are asking about the numbers. The adjectives of number have two types. Remember, these adjectives show us the two types, two kinds. The first is the adjectives showing definite numbers, which show three types as follows. Remember, there is the first type, and that first type is the adjectives which show the definite numbers, and this first type has the three types as follows. The first is cardinal adjectives. Remember, cardinal adjectives means the numbers. How? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the sequence, and if the figures are given in this sequence or order, they are called the cardinal adjectives, means they talk about the nouns, means one boy. How many boys are there? One boy. Two boys. How many boys are there? Two boys. So 1 and 2 have become here the adjectives. Now the second type is there, and that type is ordinal adjectives. The adjectives which are ordinal. Ordinal means what? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Means this is the particular sequence, in which they are given in the form of the numbers, means figures. So I will tell you, first boy. Which boy? The first boy. Means first is the adjective and boy is the noun. And so this first is giving here the extra information, the quality or a description of the boy. Then second girl. The second girl. Second is here the adjective and girl is the noun. And the second is the here ordinal adjective, and it is showing about the girl, and that girl is second in number. Then third type is multiplicative adjectives. It means I will discuss them: single, double, triple, many, few, millions, alone, twofold, threefold, triple, then quintuple, then sextuple. Means sextuple means sixfold, and quintuple means fivefold. So remember here, these are the particular, I will tell you the multiplicative adjectives which are used about the nouns, and they also show the qualities. I will tell you the numbers of the particular nouns. Then adjectives of indefinite numbers. Remember, these are the adjectives which show here the numbers, but the numbers are not definite, they are indefinite, means they are not fixed numbers. Means these don't show the exact numbers, means the numbers are not exact. For example, I will tell you all cats. All cats means not all cats. All cats means no, all cats means the cats are not fixed here, means the figure is not fixed here. Few men means few means two or three men are there, means the number is not fixed here. Several buses means there is not a bus, there is not two buses, means several buses are there, means here I will tell you that the figure is not here exact or fixed. Then some boys, no boys, any boys, or most boys, or more informations, too many information, much, none, too many, and certain. These are the adjectives of indefinite numbers, and these adjectives here talk about the numbers, but the numbers are not exact or definite. Now we are going to see the third type of the adjectives, and that type is adjectives of quantity. Remember here, the quantity is shown by these adjectives. How is that quantity shown? We will discuss, we will give here the explanation. These adjectives show measurement with the common nouns. Remember, these adjectives come always with the common nouns, but they come with the measurement. Measurement means some ratio is there, some, I will say, some calculation is there, some measurement is there, and with the help of this measurement they come with the common nouns. They show how much. How much means it is not in figures, it is not in numbers, means it is in measurement, means how much water is there. The water is 2 liters, or a gallon of water is there. So here the water is the particular word which is not shown with the help of the figures, it is shown with the help of the quantity, means with the help of the, here I will say, the measurement. And so they show how much. They are uncountable, so we cannot count them. Suppose there are some boys, we can say one boy, two boys, three boys, four boys, five boys, first boy, second boy, third boy, or fourth boy. We can count like this. But these adjectives of quantity cannot be countable, means we cannot count them. And if we want to count them, they need the particular measurement, and so they are called the uncountable. Here adjectives or the uncountable adjectives which are used for the uncountable nouns. It means we cannot count them with numbers, means they are not counted with numbers. It means that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this way, we cannot count them, or we cannot count them as first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10th. In this way, we cannot count them. They need the measurement, and if we want to count them, then they need the particular measurement, and that is called, with the example, is water is there, and this water we can explain how much water is there. So the answer is here, there is the water, 3 glasses, I will say. So 3 glasses is the particular measurement is there, and that's why here we have count that water in the measurement of glasses. And so here it is clear that these adjectives or these nouns demand adjectives of quantity, means they demand measurements to count them. They are used as the adjectives of the abstract nouns. Remember, they are used as the adjectives of the abstract nouns, means they are used like the abstract nouns or like the uncountable nouns here. And material nouns also, means material noun means I will talk here about the water, milk, like this, means these means liquid nouns and solid nouns are called the material nouns, and these material nouns cannot be counted as I will say in the sense of the figures or in the sense of the numbers, and they are used with the measurement. And so here the material nouns are given. So the example is, she drank much water. How much water she drank? Much water. So this much is the adjective, and it is showing the quantity. The second example is there, I saw many men in the market. Remember, many men means here also given the quantity. So may is the particular here adjective which is showing here the quantity. These adjectives show the quantity in numbers also. Remember, these are the adjectives which show the quantity in numbers also, means in figures also. I will tell you, for example, there are some boys. Remember, there are boys, but there are some means there may be 5 or 6 boys. So it is the, I will say, numbers. So there are some boys. There is some water in the tank. So remember, it is also the number. Why? How much water is there? There is the some water. So this sum is showing, suppose 1 liter of water, or uh, 3 liters of water, means like this. These are the figures which are shown here by this sum word, and that's why sum is the adjective which is showing here the numbers. For example, then I will tell you many, some, much, few, little, any, all, enough, no, whole, and sufficient. These are the adjectives which are called the examples of the adjectives of quantity. So here today I will tell you that please see all this video, because this video will be very much useful for your writing and speaking skill, because this video is based on the spoken English. Again, I will come in front of you with a new video. Till then, thank you very much.